All right, my friends. Hello, happy Wednesday. It's my favorite day of the week because it is work from home Wednesday. And that is where we come and we share the plan for people who are looking to make money from home, who are looking to start legitimate digital home-based business. We come and we share the plan. We're with the home-based system called $25 One-Up. It is a program that pays us amazing instant commissions of $125, $250, $500, and $1,000 commissions from home. Okay. Now, one of the best things about this program is that there's no monthly fees, which makes that pretty incredible because you're able to literally come in, get a package, start a business that's digital, meaning you can do it anywhere you have a phone or a computer, right? And you're in business. Every month you're not getting bled dry with auto ships and things like that. And every profit that you make from the time that you join the business, it's yours, right? You get to grow your business without constantly being bled dry. And it's just a profit maximizing way to do business, okay? So my name is Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 Turnip Seed, and I got started with this program, and it was the first online program that I was able to start having success with online. Have gone on to now make over $31,000 with this work from home system. In the past 48 hours, I've made $750. And, this program, like I said, it pays amazing commissions, okay? So what I'm going to talk about tonight is why now is a perfect time to start an online business, even in the midst of everything that's happening, and why you should look at this model, okay? So right now, basically everybody has two options right now in the online space. You either pivot or you perish, okay? Those are the options at this point, right? So you're either going to make some adjustments, right, to whatever isn't working for you right now, or you're gonna say, you know what, I'm gonna change some things, I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna build some things, right? Or you're going to perish. Perish meaning either your income is gonna stay where it is, or your income might decline, right? And this isn't about fear tactics, it's about understanding that there's so much power in now, right? A lot of people are looking at now as something where they're going to as something bad, right? They're looking at now as something bad, but now is a perfect opportunity to start a online business, because guess what? Everything and everyone is going online. Everything and everyone is going digital. Okay, so it's one of the perfect times to start an online business is now. Okay, if you look at every single recession that has happened before, people in the digital space, whether be network marketing, online marketing, affiliate marketing, they have thrived, they have boomed. Okay, so yeah, and now this time won't be any different. Okay, so being in position to earn digitally wherever we have our computer or our phone. Being able to earn those amazing commissions, $125, $250, $500, $1,000, not having any monthly fees, that makes this model an ideal model for people who are looking to start a home-based business, okay? Now, what I want to talk about is the leverage that's built into this program, because I mentioned earlier having built over $30,000 with this work from home system. But that said, I wouldn't have been able to do it on my own. This program is called $25 One-Up. And the reason why it's called One-Up, right, and the name is because you get a bonus commission for every person that you bring into this work from home system that purchases a package, okay? So what that means is, I refer Rhonda. When Rhonda gets her first commission, she keeps her first commission, the second one gets passed up. Same thing happens to Rhonda. Same thing happens to anybody who she refers to the system. So you essentially can get bonus commissions. So I want you to imagine you're at the diamond level, right? You pay $250 to start your digital home business one time, okay? Plus the admin fee is like $280, right? Boom, that's it, right? If you divide that per month, you pay less than $28 a month, okay, to start a home business, okay? Now, $280 that you paid, right? You make your first referral, boom, you got your $250. Okay? Now, that referral gets their first commission, you got a bonus $250. That's leverage, being able to literally get paid passively for something you only did one time. Okay, to be able to be in position to grow your income exponentially from not only your own efforts. That's true. When people talk about time freedom and they talk about financial freedom, if you don't have leverage income systems in your toolbox, you will not ever have time freedom or financial freedom. Okay, you will always be in hustle mode. You will always be chasing opportunity after opportunity after opportunity if you don't have leverage. And this program definitely has leverage built into the program. Okay, now there are some additional ways. This is why it's very important to be positioned the right way, because with this work from home system, where you are positioned, you can earn the most income, and you are also positioned to get pass-ups from people who aren't qualified at those levels. Okay, so another way you get leverage bonus commissions is pass-ups. Okay, so I am an elite member. I'm a $1,000 level member. Rhonda is as well, right? She's positioned to get $1,000 commissions as well. Okay, and that's a great place to be, because that means that we're able to earn at all commission levels in the program. Let's talk about what those are. Okay, they're the commission levels that our tribe starts with are platinum, $125, diamond, $250, enterprise, $500, and elite, $1,000 commissions. Okay, again, no monthly fees. And the reason why those levels are so important is because, you know, in our tribe, we focus on helping people learn how to build serious income and to learn the skill sets to do that as well. Okay, so most members in Team Cash Blueprint, which is our team, start at the diamond level, right? Because they're, you know, the diamond level, the elite levels, which are diamond, enterprise, and elite, they're called elite levels for a reason. Okay, when people talk about I want to build full-time income, in order to build full-time income, you have to be at full-time income levels, right? Because you have to do the math, right? When people say I want to build full-time income online, typically they need to make about $250 a day. Okay, if you're positioned with something that doesn't allow you to do that, you could say all day in your head that you want to build full-time income, but realistically, will you be able to do that, right? As a coach, I never kind of crutch people and allow them to believe false narratives, right? I'll always tell people this is what it is and this is what it's not, right? So this is what this program allows us to do. Now, outside of the amazing commissions, outside of the amazing leverage, outside of not having to pay monthly fees, one of the best things about this program when you partner with Team Cash Blueprint is Team Cash Blueprint, okay? Team Cash Blueprint has the best bonuses hands down, okay? One of the things that you're gonna get access to is me. As a coach, you're gonna get access to your sponsor, whoever your sponsor is in Team Cash Blueprint, right? And that means that every Thursday I do social media trainings, okay? We're showing you tips, tricks, hacks to be able to grow your business on social media, automate your business on social media, right? Close more sales on social media, right? These are the things that you need to know, right? This coaching package, right, is given to you when you join at our elite levels, right? And you're able to get access to that coaching package for no additional price, right? And you're able to literally have someone, a lot of people come into work from home systems and they say, I want to have access to someone. I want to be able to, you know, if I have questions, be able to show up somewhere and someone answers my questions, where someone is accessible, right? So that means that every Thursday, literally, you know, myself and the tribe, we're there. We're in the lab. We're there, right? To share what we know, share what's working in our business, help beginners troubleshoot, move to the fast track, and to get started. Okay. Now, what the value that we provide is that, you know, one thing that is very important in Team Cash Blueprint is a culture that has been cultivated in Team Cash Blueprint is we don't want people to be hopping from opportunity to opportunity to opportunity, right? One core reason that people do that is because it's kind of like they're in a I don't know, like they're in a field, right? And they're trying to figure out what to do. So when people don't know what to do, they think the next best thing is to just go join the next flashy opportunity that they see, right? So our role in Team Cash Blueprint is to support new members when they come into the program, to not only give them the team environment, the team support, but to make sure they understand how to implement lead generating activities, habits, rituals, and systems, so that no matter where, if they decide like a year from now, hey, I'm gonna add something else in my toolbox, I'm going to promote something else, they know what to do, right? It's about creating online entrepreneurs, real entrepreneurship. So for people who are like, I'm ready to maybe for the first time succeed online, I'm ready to learn entrepreneurship and not just program hop, I'm ready to move beyond just someone telling me they're going to give me more training. You don't need more training. You probably have like thousands of hours of trainings, right, in your arsenal. What you need is a team environment, right? What you need is coaching and mentoring and support. Coaching means that if you're going left, someone's going to say, yeah, no, wrong direction, boo, right? Get back on track, right? You know, coaching and accountability means that if you said, I'm going to do this and you didn't do it, it's like, yo, what's going on with that, right? Holding you accountable to do what you said you wanted to do. That's the difference between people who stay stuck and people who pivot. Again, this is the season of pivoting. Okay, so that's it. You get the support, the growth, the challenge that you need, the training that you need. Yes, training is included as well, right? In the guidance as you go through it. Okay. So that's pretty much it. So I've talked about why now is the time to start a home-based business. I've talked about the commissions. Again, amazing commission. Being able to earn those $250,000, $500,000 commissions, amazing. Okay, having that leverage, being able to earn those bonus commissions, being able to have the support of a tribe to know that you're going to get real value training, not something that was thrown together, not somebody gave you their daily list of activities and that's it, but didn't tell you how to put it together, isn't showing you how all the pieces go together. You're going to get all that when you join us at our elite levels. Okay, so that's it. What I want you to do is, whoever invited you to watch this presentation today, I want you to get back to whoever's showing you this presentation. Get started. Decide what package you want to start your business with. Where do you see yourself earning? Do you want to be earning $250 commissions in your home-based business, right? Do you want to be earning $500 commissions in your business? Do you want to be earning $1,000 commissions in your business? Where do you see yourself earning, right? And are you ready to rock with a team that has a culture of learning, that has a culture of doing, right? And while I'm talking about this, I want to talk about one more thing. I wanted to explain what the actual product is, because that's another core question. It's like, well, what is the product while we're talking about these amazing commissions? The product is actually digital marketing training. Okay, so again, if you're like, oh my gosh, I would love to finally understand, you know, how to rock Facebook, right? I would love to learn how to not just be hanging out on Facebook, but to make it work for me. I would love to know how to do that. That's the type of things that the system will teach you. And each level you get more and more training, or each package, I should say, you get more and more training, okay? Now, whatever package you join at, you get access to all the commission levels underneath. So if you join at the elite level, the $1,000 level, you're going to get the ability to earn $1,000, $500, $250, $125 commissions. If you join at the enterprise $500 package, you're going to get the ability to earn $500, $250, and $125. If you join at the diamond level, which is the $250 package, you're going to be able to earn $250 and $125 commissions. Okay, pretty amazing. Either way, amazing commissions. All right, so that's it. Get back to whoever showed you this video, lock in your package, tell that person on Team Cash Blueprint, hey, I want my blueprint, and we will plug you into our community and help you get started the right way. All right, that's it, my friend. Bye, guys.